I think we really need to educate people on what healthy living is. And I think we have to understand the way the brain works too. So as we were saying before, we like that dopamine hit, right? We can easily get that in the food that's in our grocery stores. I mean, we know you have to go around the perimeter of the grocery store and really get the healthy proteins, the produce, the fruit. But if you are a kid, who doesn't have good parenting, who's had some trauma, who feels lonely, and who is having cravings for some kind of connection or feeling good, they're going to reach for that candy. And food is really one of the first addictions that we can do because it's so easy to get. So a child may not be able to get right away something like marijuana or alcohol, but he can get fast food. And I think even over the past 50 years, look at all the additives and the GMOs and all of the substances that we're putting in our foods. We didn't do that 50 years ago. And if you look at the obesity rates, how they've risen, part of that, I think, was just when we started telling people that we should eat more grains and more carbs instead of the fats. There was some research done, I think it was Ansel Keys, who said he believed, he was a nutritionist, that heart disease was directly correlated to the amount of saturated fat in your diet. Well, we've since discovered that's not true. So that research was flawed. But based upon that research, we came up with the FDA guidelines for what we should eat. So that's starting to change. But I think if you're dealing with any kind of mental illness or physical illness for that matter, definitely lower your sugar, get more exercise, get blood going to the brain, get the right kind of light, lower your blue light, eat healthy fats, because that's going to help you stay healthy and have your hormones function the way they're designed to.